Let's today we talking about the Uniform Civil Code. Uniform Civil Code is necessary in our country because some religions have their personal law and these personal law are against to women and there are discrimination between women and men and this is a challenge to the Indian Constitution's fundamental right and also challenge to secularism. So in first reforms is bring Uniform Civil Code was bring by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, but this is in only Hindu religious, not any other religious. Because Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru think first of all we start from the Hindu religion, after slowly we cover the whole minority. But this is not happening today. And in 1952, BN Rao committee was made and an article 44 was made. This article aimed to make uniform civil code all over the world, all over the country, and after this no any political party want to interfere in this matter, especially Congress, because they want to save their vote bank and minority are against to this uniform civil code now a time. In 1986, in case of Shah Bano, the judiciary take necessary step for this and pressurize the government. And when Sabano's husband give divorce to the her wife Sabano, then this is illegally, and this that time this issue is very hot. And if that time is Rajiv Gandhi want, then it this matter of 1950 may be solved. But that time Rajiv Gandhi go against to this uniform civil code and neglify this code that time. So many criticize is happen against to Rajiv Gandhi that time all over the world's leader criticize the Rajiv Gandhi for his these actions. After now a time BJP is in power and BJP give promise before their voting that they will bring uniform civil code, and now a time BJP's steps to Teen Talaq. This is a good achievements for this party, and so this type is changes necessary. And now a time so many women NGOs working and fighting for this, and judiciary also in from the 1950 pressurized the government to bring this uniform civil code. But minority do not want this. The All India Muslim League challenge the BJP party. If we BJP party bring the uniform civil code, then they will oppose opposite to this and protest against this and strike on the road for this. And now a time awareness is necessary among the people. If uniform civil code will bring, then there will be so many problem have to face any party. Because there will be strike. Minority do not want to this minority, not totally minority, some people, some leader of these religious are against to this. So now a time we have to take contribute in this uniform civil code. Now a time only Goa state who is totally uniform civil code, not any other states. So this is issue very hot issue.